You speak English just fine with friends. Relaxed, natural, no problem. But the moment your boss, a client, or someone in authority asks you a question, your fluency vanishes. That's not a language problem. Here's what's actually happening, and how to get your fluency back in those moments. When you sense you're being evaluated by someone with more power, status, or authority, your brain shifts into a threat response. That response isn't about danger, it's about judgment. And that judgment alert state actively shrinks your available working memory, the exact resource you need to pull words together. Your English didn't get worse. Your brain just got smaller access to it temporarily. This is the before state, a steep status gap triggering a stress response, and that stress response cutting off access to language you actually know well. The bigger the perceived gap, the smaller your available fluency in that moment. Here's how you close that gap. Not by becoming less nervous overall, but by reframing the interaction itself. Step 1. Use status-equalizing openers. Phrases like, "Let's look at this together," or "Can I walk you through my thinking?" Shift the frame from being judged to collaborating. This small language shift changes how your brain interprets the interaction. Step 2. Practice speaking to authority figures in low-stakes settings first. Rehearse the exact scenario, a mock conversation with a boss, before the real one. Familiarity lowers the threat response over repeated exposure. Step 3. Anchor your attention on the shared task, not the status gap. Focus on the topic or problem you're both looking at, not on how you're being perceived. This pulls your attention away from the judgment loop and back toward the content you actually know. This is the after. Same authority figure, same real stakes, but your brain now treats it as a shared conversation, not a threat. That shift alone brings your fluency back. Try this today. Next time you speak with someone in authority, open with, "Let's look at this together," instead of waiting to be asked. That's how you shift from being judged to collaborating. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.